for joining us today at the 4th Annual ACEs Awareness Day. We are especially thankful to Assemblyman Hevesy, who we expect a little bit later here. He has been a stalwart supporter of this work around adverse childhood experiences. We had discussions with him years ago, over 4 years ago. We started talking about ACEs and what is that. And he caught fire with that, and he has held the fire and carried the fire forward and helped other legislators join this activity. So we're so grateful to him and his efforts around this work. We are excited to be here as Prevent Child Abuse New York. We've been engaged with adverse childhood experiences, as so many of our partners have been as well, for a number of years. We've been involved with this legislative push for about 4 years, going back to the first visits that we did with legislators, just trying to share information and education. And that's so much about what we're doing today, is really how do we spread the news and welcome folks to this understanding of this knowledge and help them really think about what's their role. So, and we're going to hear from a number of speakers today about what is that role relative to adverse childhood experiences, understanding trauma, and the place that it plays in the experience of our families, our communities. Then how do we counteract that? That's the real message that we're pushing forward. We're grateful to the New York State Office of Mental Health for coordinating the New York State Trauma Informed Network. Those folks are doing work as a partner coalition across the state, really pushing out this message in a very strategic way. So we're glad for their partnership. We have over 200 legislative offices that we've met with over the last several years. This year we've met with close to that many, really sharing this message about adverse childhood experiences. What we know is that the legislature is talking our language. So as we've gone through hearings early in this legislative session, it was interesting to see from the floor, legislators were asking questions about, so how does this address or how does this connect with ACEs? So we know legislators are getting the message, they're understanding it, and they're moving forward to put it into legislation. I want to thank our legislators, and again, we'll hope that they are joining us as we move through the session this morning. And then we'll move, because I don't think we have any legislators.